Hello, my name is Denise Contreras Medrano, Activity Uniform and all children memory. I one broken window which my cozy one were off. They went to my house for my grandmother's birthday. Muy I you and celebrity her birthday. Where the joker in the good and good water. We should going to play in the park, Andrea said. What? Julie asked. I had asked permission. To doesn't matter, Andrea said. So it commenced and start playing football. Joe will be an excellent player, Andrea said. Yes, I think you should be practicing more in you. You were the best player, Ryan, Julie said. It will be me? She answered, with began to complete, for who could hit the ball the harder than Julie hung a string. So I did not accept the literal two had the ball, did not move but from a start point. However, Andrea had told myself the ball had through the window on the roof desk. Renigor who had the next house near the bus station. Andrea, what are we going to do with call and Satan's crying? Fine. The police. We did damage cameras and the police chorus, Julie said. We called the poor parents will pay right side. Will they pay? Andrea asked. Joey and instantly talking about and the quilt the mal. To notice and left the house with Ambron. I pray, let's run. I would have preferred to stay home or children on the children Julie's Spain. Would all on the listen stream we had laid the vegan rooted will fun and free. Let clients that looks like the one in the hospital, right? Nobody will feel unhurt, said Andrea. They do not die, Julie asked. Obviously, they will, Julie would try not to think about it, she said. It had been a long thing and with Barrett, so I'm hungry they are alone teeth with the side the bad on the tell wall through with where Shoskare recall and the stairway to see Spanish. And the students could punish and even hit this bull. It was a postage and the ration Ustela would not want and happen until the survivor. That's what the corner to wear and favorite ice cream chocolate with condensed milk. It was and beautiful. It is one of the most beautiful memories I had childhood. The my and my childhood.